Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to prove proposition number 10. Proposition number 10 says there exists an x belongs to a real number such that x is less than 0. Here what we have to show is we just have to show just one number of x, any number, just one number of x is less than 0. If we can prove that, then we prove this proposition. Okay, so in order to do that we are going to claim that x is equal to -1 works, and then by proposition number 4, if you want to know the previous proposition, I made video on all of that, so you can go ahead and watch them. And also I'm going to use axioms here. To know the axioms, I made a video on axioms too. I will put the link of the video in the description, so you can go ahead and watch them. Now let's go ahead and continue. Proposition number 4 says that 0 is less than 1. If 0 is less than 1, then by axiom number 12 says if we add same value to both sides, it still remains the same. So for example, here what we are going to do is we are going to add -1 both sides. So -1 plus 0 is less than -1 plus 1. Okay, by axiom number 12. Then after that, -1 plus 0 by identity of addition. That's one of the axiom that says if you add -1 plus 0, that's -1 by identity of addition. And -1 plus 1 is going to be 0. This is by additive inverse. This is one of the axiom. Additive inverse. So we proved -1 is less than 0. We assumed x is equal to -1. So we proved that x is less than 0. That's our claim. We proved the claim. Therefore, proposition number 10 is proved. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn discrete mathematics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.